Kat from Creative Crafts saying hello. Today's tip of the day is how to make a cupcake stand. Guess what? You need 3 things. Well, okay, 4 if you're counting the glue gun and the glue. You need a plastic cup or maybe a shot glass. You can use that too. Depends on how high you want it. You can get many different sizes of these. I choose today just to make a 2-layer. You need 2 of these plates, a plastic cup, and I'm going to use some bling. This is for like a little girl's birthday or a wedding, or I mean, you can use anything else you want. You'll get the idea when we start. It's very quick, and yeah, I'm sure you're shocked that you're actually now seeing my face today. Yeah, maybe I feel a little bit more confident, who knows. So all we need now is put these things aside, take off any kind of labels, try not to get it so they don't have to wash it down or anything. For my German friends, the things I buy here that you see right now, you can also get these online on Amazon if you want, but go to Teddy. Teddy, they have so many great things, so many cheap things. I got these for like €2. This for 75 cents. Then you can buy so many different things for €1 only. It's amazing. So many great things there. It's always different stuff. So, and you know this, I have the same thing in the big roll. The big roll I bought from Amazon. Little roll, €1. If you just don't want to go big business like me here and you just need it for like a small project, Teddy is the place to go. Or if you're in the States, go to Dollar Tree, Christmas tree shop, all those little dollar shops. I'm sure they all have that there too. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is make sure everything is clean, no dust. I already have done that. You have to make sure that it's totally cleaned up. So now you got to think about, how do you want to do this? Do you want to do it like this? Do you want to do it like this? Since this is on the bottom, a little tip for you. Do it like this, because the top hat needs more stability. So the best stability is when you use the wider top part for the top. So what you do now is make sure that you put the glue. Do it slowly because my glue gun wants to not be nice. So, and it's pretty hot right now. So when you see me doing this with the glue gun, twisting it, I'm doing it because I'm trying to avoid strings. So you don't have the strings all over the place. Just twist it a little bit until you see that the glue is not contacted with the glue that's on this part. Make sure that you have it even, directly in the middle. What's so good about this is the cup also has like a little dot in the middle. So it actually meets up with the dot inside the plate. So, you know, this little dot here. And there's a dot inside the cup, so then you can do that. This fits perfectly just right around the whole thing. So you get another perfect edge. Now we have to wait for this to cool. So the next step now is gluing the plate on top of here. I mean, you can use this plate for anything. You can use this side for so it protects from the cupcakes falling over or when you're moving it. But you can get totally flat plates. Usually you'll probably want to use it and turn around like this so that you can when you're carrying the cupcakes somewhere. Or you can use it like this. This one you can use like this because it already has something going up. So it actually helps stabilize the cupcakes in there. So now what we need to do is take the plate and put it in an area so you can see exactly how far do you need to put the glue. You know where you need to put the plate. It has to be directly in the middle. Which helps is this area here. Now what you do is you just try to add the glue without it letting go down the cup on the side. You don't want that. If you use normal glue, that probably will happen and you don't want to have that because then you'll see it on the cup. So now I'm going to put it like this. So what I'm going to do now is try to eyeball it, and I think I got it. And then press down. And make sure you, maybe about 40 seconds or so, just hold it down. That helps make the plastic stick to it. I decided to use plastic because the glue gun actually works better on plastic. If you want to use, I don't know what I did with it. You can use the E6000 glue, or you can use some kind of a strong glue and use that. The glue takes longer to dry, so. And with this, let's see, and that's it. I mean, you can put 3 layers. You can buy also smaller plates, but didn't see those in Teddy. Sorry, people, they just had the big ones. And then you put the paper on top if you want, and then put your cupcakes. I don't have any cupcakes. I should have made some. I should have made some cupcakes. And that's it. This is my tutorial for today. Tomorrow, I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do. I have so many projects, as you can see here, going on. I'm debating which ones I should use and which ones I shouldn't. But if you have not subscribed yet, please do in the button below. If you have any questions or comments, do the same, exactly right below in the commentary box below. And that little bell that you see on the side of the subscription box, press that if you want to get notifications on any of my videos. You'll get it right away. And thank you for stopping by. Love you all, and enjoy my little cupcake stand. Bye.